Hi, this is Keri White, real estate agent in beautiful Los Angeles, and today on Keri TV, we are doing a market update on the previous month's activity of April, so stay tuned. These are the key housing market takeaways for 400 plus U.S. metro areas. The data in this report covers the 4-week period ending May 1st, and this is based on homes that are listed and or sold during that period. It's a lot of data, so all you data nerds, listen up, you'll like this. The median home sale price was up 17%. Yes, are you sitting down? 17% year over year, which was the biggest increase since August. And that's a record 396,125 as an average across the US. Of course, if you're watching this, you're in Los Angeles for the most part, but showing you that shows the average across the entire United States. 17%. The median asking price of a newly listed home increased 16% year over year to $408,458, which is a new all-time high. The real estate market is smashing records like you've never seen before. Now, the monthly mortgage payment on the median asking price home rose to a record high as well of $2,404 a month, which is at the current 5.2% mortgage rate. This was up 42%, yes, 42%, which is another all-time high from $1,688 a year earlier, when mortgage rates were just 2.96. So take a look at that. Right now, the average someone is paying to get a mortgage is $2,400, where it used to be $1,688. So even though prices have gone up 70% year over year, the interest rates have gone up 42%, which is making more of an impact on home purchasers right now. Now, interesting fact, pending home sales were down 4% year over year, the largest decrease since mid-February, meaning less homes are going under contract right now. Doesn't mean homes are down in sale prices. New listings of homes for sale were down 6% from a year earlier and have been down from 2021 since mid-March. Active listings, the number of homes listed for sale at any point during the period, fell 18% year over year. Crazy, right? 56% of homes that went under contract had an accepted offer within the first 2 weeks on the market, which is up from 54% a year earlier. That's only a 2% increase, but it's down less than a percentage point from the record high during the 4-week period ending March 27th. March was one of the craziest times as a buyer in this real estate market because rates were still low and inventory was still low. So we saw more offers than we've ever seen in history. Now, 42% of homes that went under contract had an accepted offer within 1 week of hitting the market, which is up from 41% a year earlier, down less than a percentage point from the record high during the 4-week period ending in March. And then homes that did sell were on the market, days on market, for a record low median of 15 days, which is down 21 days from a year earlier. So we're seeing about 5 less days on market year over year. It's still moving very fast. A record 56% of homes sold above list price, yes, which is up 47% from a year earlier. So 56% of homes are selling over asking. On average, 3.7% of homes for sale each week had a price drop. 3.7. Overall, 14.9% dropped their price in the past 4 weeks in this last month of April, which is up 11.2% from a month earlier and 9.1% from a year ago. This was the highest change since mid-November. So you're hearing right now that we're seeing price drops starting to happen at a higher percentage, which signifies a slowdown in acceleration. The average sale to list price ratio, which measures how close homes are selling to their asking prices, rose to an all-time high of 102.8%. In other words, the average home sold for 2.8% above its asking price. This was up from 101% a year earlier. Now, if these stats seem a little overwhelming or a bit scary, it's not like there's nothing to buy. Keep in mind, 56% of homes went under contract within the first 2 weeks. So properties are selling and buyers are able to get into a property that they like. So what's my takeaway on this? We've seen so much price growth. We've seen so much appreciation. We've seen so much activity in the market, and we're starting to see things take a little bit of a pause. Does this mean there's a crash coming? No, this is a breath. This is a great thing for both buyers and sellers who are trying to make a move in this market. Because this is a market we've never seen before, many people feel frozen to make a decision. And you have options. You can either do nothing, you can wait, you can watch confusing headlines and be worried about what to do, or you can take a look at the facts and make an informed decision for you and your family about your next move. We understand this is a confusing market and a confusing world, really. And that's why we've strategized with our private clients to formulate a plan to win in this market. If you're looking to make a move, I'd love the opportunity to sit down with you and hear about your needs. Thank you for watching Keri TV today, and stay tuned for our next episode.